Are you not receiving ask to buy notifications when your child requests an app or purchase? Or is your child seeing an error like unable to ask permission? If you're using Apple Family Sharing, this can be frustrating because the entire system depends on these approvals working correctly. In this video, I'll show you exactly why Ask to Buy stops working and how to fix it step by step. We'll start with the most common causes and move toward deeper checks so you can get everything working again without guessing. What Ask to Buy is supposed to do. Ask to Buy is a feature inside Family Sharing that allows parents or guardians to approve purchases made by a child account. When it's working correctly, the organizer or parent gets a notification instantly whenever the child tries to download or buy something. The child sends a request, and the parent approves or declines it directly from their device. This system helps prevent unauthorized purchases while still allowing children to request apps safely. If notifications don't arrive or the request fails, the entire flow breaks down. That's why it's important to understand where the issue is happening. Things to try first. Quick fixes. Start by making sure both your device and your child's device are updated to the latest version of iOS, iPadOS, or macOS. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues with family sharing features. Next, check if focus mode is turned on. Focus can block important notifications, including ask to buy requests. Either allow time-sensitive notifications or temporarily turn focus off to test if that fixes this issue. Also, make sure both devices have different names. If two devices have the same name, it can confuse the system and prevent notification routing correctly. Check contact details and message routing. Another important step is to verify your child's contact card. Make sure their name, email, and Apple account details are correct. Ask to buy notifications often rely on messaging systems behind the scenes. If the contact information is incorrect or incomplete, requests may not be delivered properly. Updating moist contact details ensures that notifications are sent to the correct account and device without errors. If notifications are still missing, if you still don't see ask to buy requests, the next step is to check your family sharing setting. Sometimes the issue is simply a misconfiguration. Open family settings and confirm that everything is set up correctly. Also check which Apple account you are signed in with. Using the wrong account is one of the most common reasons notifications don't appear. Even a small mismatch can break the entire system. At this point, it's also a good idea to manually trigger a new request from the child's device to test the system in real time. This helps confirm whether the issue is persistent or just temporary. You can also check your notification settings specifically for messages and system alerts to ensure nothing is silently blocked. Sometimes notifications are delivered but not shown due to alert style setting. Additionally, try signing out and signing back into your Apple account if the issue continues, as this can refresh background services. These small resets often fix hidden syncing problems. Fix. Unable to ask permission error. If your child sees an error like unable to ask permission, it usually means their Apple accounts are not properly linked. This often happens when iCloud and purchase accounts are different or not associated correctly. The system requires both to be aligned within family sharing. To fix this, check the accounts being used and make sure they are connected to the same family sharing group. Check family sharing setting. Go to Settings, then Family, and review your setup. If you're the organizer, make sure purchase sharing is turned on. Tap on your child's account and confirm that Ask to Buy is enabled. This is required for the feature to work. If this setting is off, requests will not be sent at all. Always double check this before moving to advanced fixes. Check the Apple account for purchases. Another key step is verifying the Apple account used for purchases. This must match the account used in family sharing. Go to Settings, tap your name, then Purchases, and check the Apple account listed. If it's different, switch to the correct one. Mismatched accounts can prevent requests from being sent or received, even if everything else looks correct. Device-specific checks. Mac/Apple TV. If you're using a Mac, go to System Settings, then Family, and review the same option. Make sure purchase sharing and ask to buy are enabled. On Apple TV, check the account under Users and Accounts. Confirm that the correct Apple account is signed in. These devices follow the same rules, but the settings are located in slightly different places. Limitations of Ask to Buy. It's also important to know that Ask to Buy has some limitation. For example, children cannot purchase certain items like gifts or donations. In some regions, Ask to Buy and restrictions may be enabled automatically and cannot be changed. This depends on local policy. Understanding these limits helps avoid confusion when something doesn't work as expected. Here's the key rule: if Ask to Buy isn't working, it's usually due to one of three things: notifications blocked, incorrect account setup, or family sharing misconfiguration. Start with simple fixes like updates and focus settings, then move to account and family checks. Following this order saves time and helps you fix the issue without unnecessary changes. To recap, make sure your devices are updated, notifications are not blocked, and your Apple accounts are correctly linked. Then check family sharing settings and confirm. Ask to Buy is enabled for the child account. These steps fix most Ask to Buy issues quickly and safely. Once everything is set correctly, the system should work smoothly again. If this guide helped you fix your Ask to Buy problem, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Tech Fix Guides for more simple and practical Apple tutorials. And in the comments, tell me what issue you're facing. I can help you troubleshoot it step by step.